Hi lovelies, do you want to know how you can make $300 with just your YouTube content? I mean, if you're a content creator, you're a social media entrepreneur. YouTube, I made $300 in the last 7 days. When I'm talking about 7 days, I mean February 17th, February 23rd, 2026. This is the information direct from YouTube. So how do you think I can make it? In today's video, I'm going to share for you my YouTube earnings analytics. I'm going to share with you YouTube strategies that I made, exact strategy that I used these 7 days. Even what exactly did I do from smart content creation to growth statistics. What did I do? This is what I'm going to show you. I'll show you good practices and even the way I went ahead to boost my views, the engagement, which in turn brought up a very great revenue. What you need to do, you need to stick around. You need to remain on this video until the end, because the end, I'll be showing you what I did. You guys, special thanks to the royal viewers. There are these people that said, no, we have to be growed here, and especially also to our students. Students, those ones who have directly gone as far as paying for masterclass is concerned, and you also who are like me who said, Christine, I'm going to be growed here and I learned from Immaculate Show. I love you so much. And the new subscribers, your seats are right here. What we need to do is to know that you're on social media, you're with the smartphone for a reason. No just scrolling, making noise, doing this thing, seeing. No, that time is already over. So let's dive in and see. But before we dive in, I would love to give you some good practices about my YouTube performance analytics, insights of last 7 days. You will find details on this. Like for example, you're going to find watch time. How was the watch time? Which video exactly had the highest retention? You're going to see click-through rate. This click-through rate, which thumbnails and titles performed best. Then engagement. How did engagement, how was it like? When we talk about engagement, I'm talking about the likes, the comments, the shares. Then we're also going to see the traffic source. How did these people come to watch our videos in return for us to get this amount of money? Then subscriber growth. We are going to all see it in this video. Which content helped us more to gain more or to lose? Because there are two ways. But fortunately, we did not lose subscribers. We only gained subscribers. So if we share these analytics, you're going to learn all these things from there. Let's dive in, and I'm going to use a screen recording for you to understand us more better. Don't touch the dial, just listen, take notes, and we dive in. So in the last 7 days, 17th to 23rd, we had tremendous uploads, as you can see, and also you'll see the recording. We had 12 videos. In other words, out of 7 days, we made sure that every day we are putting a video. If there are 12 videos, it means in the some of the 4 days we put two videos. How did we do it? There are some days we put two videos because we have a target. We know why, and why do we put 2 videos sometimes and other days we don't put 2 videos? When we see, let me show you this pro tip. When we see the video is performing poorly, as in terms of views, in terms of going viral, we decide to add another video on that day, such that it can compensate. If we want $50 per day, the other one is going to bring for us $2. We say, okay, let's put another one. So this is a strategy that we used. We had one shot in last 7 days, and we had 2 posts. Out of this, the second good practice, we got subscribers. How many subscribers did we get? 127 new subscribers in 2 days, which brings us to almost 1K subscribers for the month of February. These 127 added there. As we talk, we are waiting for you to come and subscribe as you watch for us to fill 1K subscribers. Around 20 or to 30 subscribers are still missing, whereby I know it's you who is watching, that you haven't clicked that button. 3.2k people watched our videos. In other words, they turned in. When we got the source of traffic, as we have showed you in the beginning, we had 3 ways that people found us. They found us by up next. I always explain for you what up next is. If you really you're new and you don't know what up next is, please write it in the comment section. I'll come and give you details once again. Then they also found us YouTube Home. YouTube Home has helped us. If you don't know about YouTube Home as one of the performance analytic insights, please write it also in the comment section. I'll come and do it again. Then the third one was YouTube search. If you see the previous weeks, always YouTube Home is always the first or the second, and YouTube search, but this time they are the 2 last ones. The up next is the first, meaning there's some small shift. Then when we go to exactly which video performed better and why, and what were the, like for example, when we talk about the click-through rate, now it's where we're going to select on. They watched most on a video that was premiered 1 month ago. It's coming to 5 months. 1 month ago, it's coming to 5 weeks, which is titled How to Make $30 a Day Using WhatsApp. Here we come. The click-through rate is so high. It is now 8 point something. And when you check about the click-through rate, it is through the thumbnail. Its thumbnail is almost 100 out of 100 as to VIDQ score. So this one is so great that the traffic, so it makes even the traffic source higher, because it even brings engagement to it. When the click-through rate is high, all other things also almost become high. So this video, the first video they watched, was so great that it has brought us an amount of money, and even the amount of money that we have gotten this month, I'll be showing you at the end of the month. It is more contributed from how to make this video from last month. This month, have we made videos? Yes, we have made videos, but people who are watching this video are more. So that's why I always preach you to do green content. When you go green content, it will always be there. You will always get money as you sleep. Then the second video was start earning $100 a day with your phone and Meta AI. This video, the thumbnail was perfect. It is weighing 96% as to VIDQ out of 100. And if you also look at it, it has very good qualities as to thumbnails is concerned. It is very clear. It is connecting to the title. So it is appealing and it attracts attention. If you compare these analytics to other weeks, these analytics, they gave us only 2 videos that were watched most. Other weeks, they give us already 3. That is a question to ask ourselves. Why did they? Do you think? Yes. The third one, which was watched this week, unfortunately, I deleted it because we got a strike on it. When we got a strike on it, because I didn't know, this is where they say we need to learn more. Instead of doing appeal, I am like, I don't want a lot of things. So immediately I went and deleted it. That was the third video that was watched most. And it was running so crazy. It had good amount of money. But because of not knowing that I can do appeal very well, I said, okay, let me delete it. And it has a bit caused us some warning. So wherever you are, you're watching me, if you know your video is clean, like me, I always know my videos are clean. I don't copy, I don't put people's videos. I don't do this. Just look at it, click and follow, because I came to learn it's a big problem for many creators on YouTube. Everybody is talking about it. So people did not just watch, they increased the engagement. We had 204 likes, which is a bit low, 97 shares, which was a bit low compared to other days, and 90 comments, which is a bit low. And it contributed some good amount of money, which is lower than last week by around $5. I'll not give you the estimate because it's not ethical. So in a nutshell,